Hey, what's up, friends? Ray with Talking Tin Works. How y'all doing? So I'm out here at the log pile, and I got a couple of Holzfforma clone big saws. I've got a Husky 395 XP clone, and I've got a Stihl 660 clone. So let's see if I got good saws or if I got turds. Let's see how they do. Stick around and check it out. Let's see what we got. All right, so I haven't done nothing to these guys yet. I haven't even put fuel or oil in them. So all I did to this saw, the 395 first, was I put the bar on while I was at home because that can be a pain. So like, man, I don't know. It's cold outside. It's the truck says it's 25. I believe it. It's pretty chilly. Only thing I did was I turned the oiler up on this thing while I had it in the house. And I want to run a tank of gas through them. And hopefully everything works all right. This thing's got a pretty good reservoir. I mean, you can see how cold it is because the oil. So this is 90 ethanol free rec fuel. It's Honda HP2 full synthetic mixed at 32:1. So hopefully that'll be good enough for these saws. And hopefully we can get them fired. Like I said, it's cold out, man. It's sub-freezing. I sure would like to get a tank through them. Hopefully they fire up. Move, Cody. There we go. So I'm going to put this guy over here. Let it just idle for a minute. Show you what we got over here. Like I said, that's that Husky 395 clone. Clutch cover, a little toolbar and accessories. These things are hilarious. Handlebar, yeah, that feels cheap. and the book. So for the Stihl version, I went ahead and just opted for the Pro because it's supposed to have a better carburetor on it and some better parts. We'll see. Okay. I've heard this thing's a joke. I'll probably get rid of it here on the next run, but I wanted to fire it up, see what it does stock. So that Husky's just over there idling away. I like that. Here, I might stop you guys while I put the handlebar on this guy. Nobody wants to see all that. Ooh. Well, it wouldn't be one of my saws if it wasn't covered in oil. Well, that thing's already kind of busted. I mean, this thing did show that okay, yeah, so it's already in winter mode. It's got a winter and summer mode. Well, let's see how she does. Okay, it's starting to settle in a little bit now. It's at 32. I actually want to keep it over here in case something shakes loose. All right. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this worries me. Hopefully nothing's in there. But this is this is some big white oak. Yeah, man, that's a big wood. right there. All right, so we're probably going to just pack things up and go. I didn't bring a bunch of tools to mess with that Stihl and get its, you know, it's got the dual dogs and the chain roller and all that stuff for the get up. But y'all saw that 395 just ripped through this frozen elm, you know. That's what, 10-inch elm, something like that. Maybe 8, 10, I don't know. But it's frozen solid. It ripped through that like nobody's business. It stops just fine. I did not grease the tip. You know, the Sumaro's got a grease port. I wanted to see how it oils. As you can see, it's got oil. Chain's not dry. Here's some oil seeping down through here, so it's oiling good. You saw it start up. Man, what? It maybe took 5-6 pulls to get it started, but once it started, it fires right back up. I haven't messed with the carburetor none. Those last couple of cuts, you could tell it clean up just a hair. So here's the 660, and you can tell it's running fat. I mean, it's spitting crap out. So we're going to take it home and probably do some fine tuning at home. Put the dogs on there, maybe come back out, and you know, I need to get the dogs on the chain roller and then put a bar and a chain on it. See how it does. Right out the box, this fuel tank, you know, the little prong that keeps it in there, it's in the tank or missing. But it fires right up. It runs no problem. Like I said, it seems like it's really running fat compared to this one. Maybe, I don't know. So you can see a little bit of stuff in there. But this fuel was mixed a little bit rich too. You know, because it's breaking in these saws. You want plenty of lubrication in these guys. So, but this 32-inch 3/8 63 gauge. I opted for the 63 gauge because I might be doing some what do you call it, milling with it. So